So the first thing I have is my gloves for sanitary reasons. And then now I have my Versagel, and I put like the whole Versagel, which is 4 ounces, and I put like half of my other Versagel, which will be 2 ounces. So as you can see, I put a really good amount of that. And then now I'm putting my grapeseed oil in there because grapeseed oil is very moisturizing and you want your lips to be moisturized. And Versagel is very thick, so it thins it out. And I put like 8 caps of that in there, which is like basically half of the grapeseed oil. And then now I put the holographic glitter in there. It's cosmetic glitter, and it's vegan also. So I put like about two teaspoons in there, 2 tablespoons in there. And then now you can see I'm mixing it, and it's very like in a way liquidy, but you have to let the glitter and the Versagel combine together. And then that's when it starts getting a little bit thick, but it's not too thick. It's a really good consistency, as you can see. So then now I take my vanilla flavoring oil and I put about, I believe, 10 drops in there, which is actually recommended. So I put 10 drops. I believe I actually put 12 drops because I did a test and I like did a smelling test basically, and I was like, oh no, it needs like 2 more drops. But yeah, it smells like cake. It smells like cake and just like dessert basically. So then now I mix it again so the vanilla flavoring can get everywhere, and the glitter, Versagel, all of that. So then now I have my syringe, and that's how I put my my glitter in there. So you can see me doing that. And then now I'm putting it in the lip gloss tube. I already did most of it, but now you can see me actually putting it in my lip gloss tube. So yeah, it's slowly going up. Oh, but this is the finishing touch, and that's how I make my holographic gloss named Majesty.